Well, I have teased about it, I have given hints about it, and now drum roll please, Stuart and I are ready to announce a special membership program for those of you who subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, first of all, if you are one of those subscribers and you have watched our channel over the past year where we talk about garden-inspired living and we work on projects in the garden, then it will stay the same. Nothing has changed. All of the content will continue to be free and hopefully very informative, and I hope that you'll continue to enjoy it right along with us. But if you want an experience that gives you a little bit more of a deep dive into the things that we talk about here, then you might want to consider one of these 2 YouTube membership levels. So it couldn't be easier. To become a member, all you do is just click the join button and it will walk you through the rest. Again, if you're a subscriber, nothing will change. Content will continue to be free. But if you want a deeper, more enhanced experience with me on YouTube in terms of interaction back and forth, engagement, and more of a deep dive into topics, then this first membership level might be for you. You become a Linda Vater YouTube channel member, and you get all sorts of fun new emojis that indicate to me how long you've been on a channel. Some of them kind of have inside jokes that if you followed me a while, you'll definitely get. You'll also get a month-by-month detailed chore list on what to do when. You'll get a free downloadable wallpaper each season for your computer and your mobile device. And perhaps most importantly, at this level, I'll also put you on my special email list called the Daily Dose of Happiness. And what I do there is communicate with you, you communicate with me on a more personal level about our personal gardening experiences. I might recommend podcasts, resources, magazine articles, books, products that I've used that make my life easier and more beautiful. And I can share all of that with you on this first level. So again, to join, all you do is press the join button and it will walk you through what membership includes. It's on a month-by-month basis and you can cancel at any time. Now let's talk about the next tier and the top tier. And finally, the top membership level is to become a Linda Vater YouTube Insider. And on this level, you'll get the same things. You'll get the fun emojis, you'll get the downloadable wallpapers, you will get on my special Daily Dose newsletter, email list, and you'll get that gardening to-do checklist. But this is where you can really become part of a community, because I will approve your membership to an exclusive Facebook group just for Linda Vater Insiders here on the YouTube channel. It is a wonderful community. It's also a wonderful forum where you guys can show off your own gardens, your own gardening projects. What I love about YouTube in general is that I learn as much from you as you learn from me, if not more. And this is another forum for all of us to share our tips and tricks and show off a little bit. It's kind of a forum for show and tell. So if that really appeals to you, and if you want to be part of this real exclusive community on Facebook, then this level might be for you. Whatever level you are on, I just want you to know how welcome you are, how much I appreciate your being a follower, and how much it has really improved my quality of life with other gardeners. So join at one level or another, just press join. All of the details are listed below, and I hope to see you on some level in the coming days.